Last time she panicked when a 1,000 yen bill seemed to disappear into the machine. She pressed a button labeled Card Return. But instead of getting the bill back, a single card came out. This card is actually a very important item. Today, we will explain exactly what it is. Special thanks to Pachinko Western Kasai. Chapter 1. What this card is. Here's the conclusion first. This card is an IC card that records your cash balance and the number of balls you have. In a way, it works like a prepaid card. When you have cash balance or stored balls in the machine, pressing the card return button on the machine next to the seat will eject the card with all that data stored on it. Chapter 2. What this card cannot do. If there is money inside, can you use it on trains or at convenience stores? Sorry, Marie. This is a Pachinko-only prepaid card. It has nothing to do with electronic money like Suica. Unless you want to feel embarrassed, using it at a convenience store is not recommended. It would be convenient if it worked at vending machines too, but reality is not that kind. Another important rule is this. The card can only be used at the hall where it was issued. Always cash out or exchange prizes at the same hall on the same day. Chapter 3. Rates and card limits. One more important point. Even in the same hall, a card issued at a 1 yen machine cannot be used at a 4 yen machine. The difference between rates is explained in detail in another video. For example, this card from a 4 yen machine has a cash balance of 500 yen and 123 balls. When this card is inserted into a 1 yen machine, the 500 yen balance is shown. However, the balls display an error such as for another area. If you want to change rates, simply issue a new card. Having multiple cards is allowed. However, remember that each card contains real money. Chapter 4. Safety rules and cashing out. From here, these are points you must be careful about. When leaving your seat for the restroom or a break, always press the card return button, take the card out, and carry it with you. The card return and ball rental buttons are located in different places depending on the machine. On smart Pachinko machines, which use no physical balls, the buttons are often on the card machine instead of the playfield. If you are confused, use your phone camera translator and look for buttons labeled Return, Ball Loan, or Ball Rental. In Pachinko halls, people sometimes leave small items to show a seat is occupied. Never leave the card behind under any circumstances. If you sit at an empty machine and find a card already inserted, never use it. Inform the staff immediately. Using someone else's card can be considered theft. When you finish playing and still have cash balance or balls, first remove your card. If there is a cash balance, use the cash out machine to get your money back. In many halls, cash out and prize exchange are only possible on the same day. Let's review the key points. This card records your cash balance and balls. It can only be used at the hall where it was issued. In many halls, cards cannot be used across different rates. Always take the card with you when leaving your seat. Never use a card that belongs to someone else. Cash out and prize exchange must be done on the same day. Does this help clear up the mystery of this card? We will continue to share little-known aspects of Japan. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel